You were sure you had it figured out. You had the plan. You even prayed about it. You asked God to bless it, and then you ran ahead. You didn't mean to drift, but you stopped listening. You stopped waiting. You stopped trusting. And somewhere along the way, you found yourself in a place He never led you to. Empty, tired, confused, maybe even angry. You look around and think, how did I get here? How did I lose my way? I was doing everything right, wasn't I? But friend, there's a story in the Bible, one you've heard before, of a young man with dreams and blessings who said to his father, "Give me what's mine, I'm ready." And off he went, full of fire and freedom. But freedom without the Father, it always runs dry. The prodigal hit rock bottom, alone in the dirt, surrounded by swine, wishing for crumbs. And that's when it hit him, not shame, not guilt, but memory. He remembered the Father's house. He remembered kindness. He remembered home. So he got up. He didn't have it all figured out. He didn't know what he'd say, but he turned around. And while he was still far off, his father saw him. He ran to him. He didn't wait for explanations, didn't demand apologies. He wrapped him in grace, kissed his dirt-covered face, and said, "Bring the robe, bring the ring. My son has come home." That's the heart of God, not the angry judge waiting with a list of your failures, but the Father watching the road, hoping today is the day. You come back. You might feel lost. You might feel disqualified. You might think it's too late. But hear me. You still have a place at the table. God doesn't love the cleaned-up version of you. He loves you. Even now. Even here. Even after this. The Bible is filled with people who messed up, who missed it, who broke down at the worst possible moment. Moses had anger. David had blood on his hands. Elijah wanted to die. Thomas doubted. Peter denied. Paul persecuted. But grace met them all. Grace rewrote their stories. You think your failure surprised God? It didn't. You think He's shocked by your weakness? He's not. He saw it coming and still chose the cross. Jesus knew exactly who He was dying for. And still, He went. He wasn't pushed onto that cross. He chose it for you, for me, for every lost son and every weary daughter. Because the love of Jesus isn't based on your success. It's not built on your performance. It's anchored in mercy and nailed through grace. Even now, He's not standing with His arms crossed. He's running down the road. He's calling your name. There's a robe for you, a ring, a feast, not because you earned it, but because He never stopped loving you. You are not too far, not too dirty, not too broken, not too late. You are still His child, and He is still your Father. You may have taken the long road home, but home is still waiting. The door is still open. The light is still on, and Jesus still wants you. So come back, not when you're better, not when you're perfect. Now come with the questions, come with the scars, come with the regrets, come with the doubts. Just come, because His mercy is new this morning, because His grace is deeper than your shame, because His love is still reaching, still running, still healing. You don't have to have all the answers. You just have to take the first step. The rest, He'll walk with you. This isn't the end of your story, it's the turning point. The moment where grace finds you in the dirt and lifts your chin and whispers, "You're still mine," as it says in Luke 15:24. "For this son of mine was dead and is alive again. He was lost and is found." So they began to celebrate. Come home. Jesus is waiting.